And the Delhi High Court today refused to stay trial court proceedings against BJP Minister Kapil Mishra, who in fact is the Law Minister of Delhi. This is in relation to an FIR that was filed against him in 2020 over his tweets that the AAP and Congress parties had created a mini Pakistan at Shaheen Bagh, which was the area of protest against CAA. And his tweet said that the assembly polls would be a contest between India and Pakistan. Justice Ravinder Dudeja refused to stay the trial court proceedings against Mishra and issued a notice on his petition challenging an order passed by the special judge earlier this month dismissing his revision plea against a magisterial order summoning him in the matter. So the case for the moment will continue against the Delhi Law Minister. The court said there was no need to stay the trial at this stage and that continuing proceedings would not prejudice the parties. Well, let's go across to Nupur now for more. And Nupur, this case goes back to the last Delhi elections when Kapil Mishra had posted this about how the elections were between India and Pakistan, claiming that Congress and AAP were like Pakistan, and indicating that. And today he is the Law Minister, but the Delhi High Court saying this case will proceed.
Well, yes, in fact, this is a very big development that Delhi Law Minister will now be facing this particular case. He had time and again prayed in the court that it was not intended, his tweets were not intended the way they were taken, and they were made at a time of election, and they were done to, he has made all kinds of arguments, but the Delhi High Court today has said that the trial court proceedings will not be stayed, and if he has to defend himself by making all these arguments that he has been making from time and again, seeking a stay on the trial or seeking quashing of the trial, then he has to go to the trial stage, and then his arguments can be heard, and it can then be decided on the merits of the case whether it should go in his favor or not. But for now, there is no relief for the Delhi minister. He will be facing the trial court proceedings in this particular case.